How to log out of the Grab app on your phone. So first open the Grab app if you haven't already. Then your home screen should look something like this. Here you'll see your profile icon on the top right corner. Simply tap on it. Then you'll see a little pin icon on your profile picture. And after tapping on the small pin icon, your screen should look something like this. Here on the bottom of your screen, you'll see an option called Logout. Simply tap on it. Then it will ask you to set up a PIN or simply log out. Tap on the left option called Logout. Then it will ask for a confirmation. Tap on the logout option. Then after a few moments, you will be logged out of the Grab app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time.